Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's see how we can get the name of the day and the name of the month within a given date table. So let me take you back again to Power BI. And from here again, I will click on Get Data in Excel workbook, then Date Functions. Let me pick Date 3. Then we'll pick Transform to take us to Power Query Editor. Then now we want to get the day name and the month name from the data that has been given. This is our query. So we'll go to add column, and then we'll click this icon for date. Then we want day. We want the name of the day, so it is the day of the week, the name of the day. Then now you can see we are being given the days of the week. So again, we want to get the name of the month. Again, we'll come back to this column for date, and then we'll go to add column, then click again this icon for date. Then we'll go to month, then we'll pick the name of the month. And then from here again, now we can extract if you want the three letters from if you want the three letters from the names that we are given, we can go and extract the first three digits of the date name and the month name. So I can just click on this one, then I'll go to can transform, or I can add column, but let me try to transform. Then I'll click here, I will go to this text column, the text function, and I will click extract. Then I'll pick the first characters. Then I will count 3. Then okay. So you can see we have the short form of the name of the days of the week. Same applies to the month name. You can again click on this column, and then I'll come into transform tab and click extract. Then the first characters. Then again I'll count 3. Then okay. So now we have the month name and the day name in short form. So I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you understood, and thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet on the next video.